Hi guys, welcome to our life in the Philippines. We spent a couple of days here in Limay. And Limay, yeah. And today we're going to take a day trip down to Mariveles. Mariveles was the starting point for the Death March, so we're going to go down and just get a little footage and enjoy our day down there. So come on and get in for the ride with us.
Yeah, we're heading to Mariveles, guys. We'll check if it's nice over there. This is our first time to go there.
Just a short ride through Limay.
Yeah. Nice morning, guys. Really nice morning. So this is the city of Balanga.
What?
Is this a city of Balanga?
No, Limay.
Ah, Limay. This is city of Limay, sorry.
Yeah. Balanga is further north.
Yeah. Municipal of Limay. Over there. This building.
What is this?
The Municipal of Limay. Yeah, it's nice to ride in the morning. It's not hot, it's cold. So we just drive straight.
Yeah.
And then we reach the Mariveles road.
Yeah. It's about 30 kilometers.
I see.
Less than an hour drive.
Yeah.
Looks like we're through this.
What?
It's a nice street.
Yeah. There's some hotel over there also.
Yeah.
Near. Really nice. Morning ride.
Now we're coming down. There's a big gas power plant down here.
Yeah.
So they have a power station here. This is part of what generates
Yeah.
power in Bataan.
They have a power plant here. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I saw it. Yeah. I saw the power plant, guys, over there. I didn't know that Bataan have a power supply. Power supply, power plant. Sorry. There's a power plant here.
Some distribution line.
Oh yeah. I think we need to the gasoline. Assistant camera woman, Mrs. Johnson.
So we are about halfway. We're about halfway down, right, to Mariveles. My wife is taking some pictures. So we're about 7-8 kilometers away from Mariveles, and this is like a point where we have incredible views. Actually, it looks like there are some factories down there, but it is beautiful. I'll do a sweep around here and you'll see where we're at. So, yes, we are close to Mariveles. What does that mean, huh?
Bawal sumampa sa mga
What does it mean? Ah. Yeah, I guess you can see. Yeah.
For the I will take you a picture. I get your motorcycle. So,
Yeah.
let's go over there. Sit down.
My wife is commanding me, sit down, sit down.
Hi guys, I am a ninja. You can see my face. The mountain.
Yeah. So that's one thing here in Philippines, you know, especially here in Bataan. It's extremely mountainous terrain, and you can probably see some of that behind us, and up in there you have a mountain range. And at some point later today, we're going to be up driving in some of those areas.
Yeah.
So, right, so we'll continue the ride. Let's go again. Okay, we're down here in Mariveles, and we're going to try to figure out a little bit of things to do. But one of the things that I have talked about in a couple of other videos is the situation around the Second World War. And we just happened to stop here at our famous Jollibee, and down this way, come on hon, down this way, they have like a memorial type thing, and this one here is actually where the famous Death March started, down in Mariveles.
70,000 Filipino soldier and American died.
Yeah, can you read that, because it's Filipino and I can't read it for me. What does it say?
70,000 Filipino and American soldier captured, or they make a hostages.
They were taken hostage?
Yeah. And then they said Japanese retreat. They start the Japanese retreat on Mariveles Bataan on April 10, 1942.
Okay.
They surrender
That's
at
where,
Bagak, Bataan.
yeah, that's where the Americans and the Filipinos surrendered, right?
Yeah. And then on April 11, 1942, they tortured Filipino and American soldiers experienced tortured by Japanese soldiers on April 11, 1942.
Right.
They don't make, they don't give any food. They make, they don't give food on the Filipino soldier and American soldier.
Right, and then they started the Death March. What does it say at the bottom? The 15th of April, 1942?
Yeah, Bataan, and then that's the beginning of Death March.
Because of the Bilang Death March.
Yeah,
So that's the beginning of the Death March. And
Yeah.
during that march, anyway, it goes all the way up to past beyond where we live, up to Tarlac. And from where we are, it's about 130 kilometers, and they had to walk that
Yeah,
in excruciating heat, no water, no food, and a lot of them perished during the walk. And they're up in Tarlac. There is another big memorial where thousands of them are buried at this point. The interesting part is, you know, a lot of times Japanese people are coming here and they see these things and what the Japanese soldiers and generals did.
there's
The
a
population,
Japanese rifle.
the population is the Japanese population coming here. They're very, very apologetic, and they can't believe what they see when they get here. So anyway, what did you say, honey?
There's a rifle.
Oh yeah, up on the hill there's a rifle with a hat on it. And back down in there you have the American and Filipino flag. So this is the,
Much better if you can go inside.
yeah, but you're not allowed.
Yeah,
I don't think so.
that's why they put barricade.
Yes, exactly. But anyway, here is the 0 point of the Death March starting. I just thought I wanted to document that. I'm very interested in past history because you can learn a lot from it, and it becomes an important thing to educate our younger generations about really what took place. And even me, I was born after the Second World War was over. I was about maybe 9 years after the World War. However, my father, who was born in the 1931, he experienced the Second World War as a child. We have had some sit-downs and interesting conversations about it. All right, huh? So that's a little clip for information about that.